Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a first impressions review unboxing on the brand Sunkissed. They have sent me a box full of products and I'm going to show you what they do, how good they are, what I think of them, and yeah, so if you want to see this, especially if you like tan and bronzy products, you're going to want to watch this. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click the bell so you're notified when I make a new video, and yeah, if you want to see this video then please keep watching. Okay, so the first product I'm going to talk about is, of course, the fake tan. I love a fake tan and I love mousse, and this is the Ultra Dark Mousse Selfie Ready Tan. This is in the colour Ultra Dark, so they have 4 shades, I'm guessing. Ultraviolet in the base colour intensifies your tan under camera lights for the perfect selfie tan. Yes. Lasts up to 5 days. It contains moisturiser and is dermatologically tested, which is obviously good because it's not tested on animals. And yeah, I'm super excited to try. So it says apply a little at a time using a Sunkissed tanning mitt, which I also have. I actually needed one of these, so this is perfect timing. No need to wait. The quick drying guide colour gives you an instant tan, develops into a deep dark bronze tan in 4 to 6 hours, leave on for 8 hours maximum. So a lot of the time I will just literally sleep in it. What I will say is this was me applying it. First of all, I applied it like before I did this video. I'm dry already. I think that this, like, literally is the only tan that I've ever applied that straight away I am dry. That is what I will say. I've used many tans, I love them, still love them, they're not bad at all. However, this one dries so fast, and yeah, like literally it's not tacky at all, which I love, because if you're going out, and also it's a nice colour, you could easily wear this out. I have applied this, and this is just like the what's it called, what did it say? The guide colour, that's the word. This is just the guide colour, so it hasn't even developed yet, and this is like a lovely tan. So I'm super excited for this to develop, and I will obviously put before and after pictures at the end of the video. And then it says rinse off the colour guide to reveal your perfect bronze tan, and that's a lot of tans that I use. So I'm really super excited. And what I will do is, I've shown you before and after, straight after the tan, I will put on my Instagram and my Snapchat and stuff. Sorry, I've got itchy brow. Like my before and afters and everything, but so far I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to see. But yeah, it's dry, which is insane. So that's that, and the mitt was really good as well. Didn't go through my hand. It felt really good sizing as well, actually, because I have small hands, but it was good. Okay, so on to like the next, which are the bronzing products I was sneaky. I used one last night because I went out and I just had to try it. So the first product that I'm going to try for you is called the Sunkissed Baked to Perfection Blush Highlight Duo. This is what it looks like, and inside you have these 2 beautiful shades. I'm just gonna swatch. As you can see, very pretty. I'm just gonna look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, in love. So what I think I'm gonna do is literally just get this brush and just kind of apply it.
Oh my god, no.
I love that. I love it. That is the nicest blusher shade as well. I mean, I had a tiny little bit of highlighter on. I did do my makeup. I will leave that link in the description. But I wiped off that highlight that I'd put on already. So this is the probably original bit. But this next product I've got is Bronze and Blush Duo. So that was the highlight and blush duo. This is the bronze duo. First of all, I think this palette is really pretty. So this is what it looks like. Or does it say cherry? Oh, cheeky. I thought it was going to smell like cherry. Cheeky palette, I'm guessing, which is like bronzer and then a blush. Yeah. I think this palette is really pretty. Look at the detail in this one particularly. I think so pretty. How beautiful is that? So I'm going to grab a brush. Obviously I have got a little bit of bronze, like contour on, but I haven't got bronzer on. Because again, I wiped that off. So let's just get a brush. Ooh. Wow, oh, it's perfect matte as well. It's like all lovely matte shade. Love that. And then this is, which is a nice subtle kind of highlight blush. Oh my god, I'm going to be so highlighted doing this. Okay, so that was the Pretty Cheeky Bronze and Blush Duo enriched with minerals. Also it says on the back vegan friendly and against animal cruelty, which I love. As you all guys know, I have rabbits. Also, can I just mention, it all came in this little box. How cute is that? A product that I'd already used, but I had to. I was too excited. So this is the Sunkissed Insta Glow Shimmer Powder. And it has a lid with a brush. I don't know if you can see. The little bit of plastic goes over it. And then you push this. Oh, you might have seen it. And basically, this powder comes into here. So let me just show you this. Honestly, I used it last night. Look. I don't know, I hope you can, oh, there you go, look. Look at that colour. Let me take this strap off. Body! Isn't that like next level? I am obsessed with that. Honestly, it looks so nice, but you can imagine that in like a video or something. Oh my god. Wow. All I will say is this, I'm obsessed with this. Like, I couldn't stop using it last night and it was ended up all over me. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did like any of the products, I will leave below the website and the Instagram for Sunkissed. Yeah, obsessed. I will let you know how the tan goes. Please add me on Instagram to keep up with my socials so you can see what I thought. You'll see before and after pictures as well, because I am very pale, so when I have fake tan on it's very obvious. So yeah, thank you so much for Sunkissed for reaching out and sending me these products. Really, really generous, and thank you so much for collaborating with me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, click the bell so you're notified when I make a new video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.